So another great resource to help you save some money during your online sourcing is TopCashback.com. There's actually a link in the description of this video that'll actually get you right there so you can sign up and you actually get a freebie. I think it's a $10 gift card by doing that, so make sure to sign up that way. But what TopCashback is it's an affiliate site that actually pays the users of the site a commission on everything they purchase through the links. So that may sound really confusing, but the best way to look at it is it gives you money for buying things online. So for instance, say I want to buy something from Walmart. I simply type in Walmart and I click it, and it tells me I can get up to 6% cash back from buying through TopCashback. So it's actually really simple. You just look up the store that you're going through. We click cashback, and we just look here, and anything in contact lenses is 4%, anything in baby, home, and toys is 6%. So say I'm buying or sourcing some toys from Walmart using one of the methods that we've shown here. All I click is get cash back. I do this before I go through the cart and buy everything, but I just buy like normal now. And what will happen is they are tracking what I purchased there, and they'll confirm me by email once I buy it. So that's all fine and dandy, but then you go to cash back here once you make your purchases, and you'll actually start getting money back. So I go to my account here. Over the last so often, I've made $124 just off of using this application. But it's endless with the number of stores. You just search and see, and I can get 5% cash back on anything from the Disney store. I go to Target, and this is on top of using my red card. So if I was doing the optical, which that's not something I typically source from, I can get 8% cash back. So what I suggest doing is you go about every purchase you make online and actually look to see if there's ways to make cash back and get it. It's like a little reward, and they get a commission, you get a commission, everybody's better off. So that's just a little overview of TopCashback. It's very easy to use. All you do is simply search the store that you're looking to purchase from, click the link, and shop as normal. And once you're done, it'll actually credit your account, and you can request the cash back via check or PayPal. If you have any questions, please let me know, but this should be a pretty easy way to help increase your margins on items and get you a little cash back along the way.